slowly open your mouth there. Slow, wait as wide as you can. So yeah, you're not tracking on this side. So now close your mouth again. Yeah, and it just goes back that way. So let that jaw just hang open just there. Take you around here. And just a quick movement like that. Good. Great, and do that again. Awesome.
Perfect.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.